Hi, this is Edward Troxel. In today's tutorial we're going to look to see what effects and transitions are installed in our NLE. So we'll determine how to go through the effects and transitions lists and figure out exactly what we can choose from. In a future tutorial we'll then learn how to actually add an effect or transition to a clip on the timeline. In order to read the effects list in Premiere, we are going to have to go through the QE side. This is one of the cases where it is required that you go through the QE side, even though it is not totally recommended. Anyway, the first thing we have to do is the Enable QE, and then we can go ahead and get our QE sequence, although we don't actually need it for this particular example. We do need this next line though. We're going to get our effect list, and to get the effect list we go to the QE.project and we can get video effect list. That will create an array for effect list. If we do an alert and just show the contents of the array, then they'll all be listed on the screen for us so that we'll see what we actually get coming back. And then I'm going to go through a little for loop and we're just going to look at the first 15 of them. That way we don't have to go through the entire list as we're checking, and we'll see how this works when we actually run the script. But for now, let's go on down and look at the next section. The next thing we're going to do is we're going to get our effect list again, only this time we're going to call get audio effect list. This is going to give us the list of audio effects that are available in Premiere, and so once again we'll display them and look at up to the first 15 of them. Our next thing we're going to do is look at transitions. So I've created a new trans list variable, and for this one we're going to go to QE.project.getVideoTransitionList. And then once again I'm going to show the transitions that are available and then look at up to the first 15 of them. Finally, we're going to go through and look at the audio transition list. So the fourth thing we'll do is the get audio transition list. We're going to display all of the ones that are available and then look at up to the first 15 of them individually. So now that we've got our four sections here, let's see what happens when we actually run the script. So let's push run, go over to Premiere. Now we can see this is all of the effects that are available to us, including, if you notice, the very bottom one is Titler Pro 7, so third-party effects will also show up in this list. So let's click on OK, and we'll see that effect number 0 is Alpha Glow. 1 is Anti-Alias, 2 is Bend, and so forth through the rest of the first 15. Now we're going to see what audio effects are available to us. And here you can see that we have several audio effects listed here. And then looking at the first 15 of them, number 0 would be Automatic Click Remover, Dehummer. Number 2 is Parametric Equalizer, and so forth and so on through the first 15 of them. Next we'll see the video transitions that are available in Premiere. So as you can see we have several listed here, and if we go through the first 15 of them, the first one is Additive Dissolve, then we have Band Slide, Band Wipe, etc., etc. And then we get our audio transitions. Notice there's only 3 of these: constant power, constant gain, and exponential fade. So if we look at up to the first 15 of these, we're going to get 0 is constant power, 1 is constant gain, 2 is exponential fade, and it is finished. So as you can see, these little routines right here make it very easy to go through the list of video effects, audio effects, video transitions, and audio transitions. So now that we know how to look through the effects and transitions that are available, we could actually put them in a list on the screen and let the user choose which ones they wanted to add. So there are many options available to us now that we know how to see what is actually available in the lists. Please sign up at www.JETDV.com and subscribe on YouTube to get further notifications on when new videos are presented.